Hi, I'm Rafael, I'm the export manager of Cohidrex, and today we are here to introduce our brand, Trasteel Wear Parts. Trasteel Wear Parts is the best known brand within our range. Within Trasteel Wear Parts, you may find several products like GTs, cutting edges, rubber tracks, undercarriage components, and some other attachments. We are focused on high quality products, and for that reason, we made the decision to create our Trasteel Elite designs that we are showing here at this event. So you may see our display of our excavators and loader designs, like our famous P, PhD, V, and TU that are suitable for excavators, and our Ls and LHDs for loaders. Trasteel Wear Parts, it's a global brand that offers you efficiency, technology, and designs, always offering a higher profitability of steel. As you may see, our designs are different from other competitors, but we want our customers to be able to differentiate from other companies in their markets. For that reason, Trasteel Wear Parts would be the best choice. I would like to talk about our renowned blades. We can manufacture blades for graders, loader, scrapers, bulldozers, and excavators. Our steel exceeds 500 Brinells, and our alloys has to withstand with the most extreme conditions in the fields. We are working with our edges in different countries as Kazakhstan, Chile, Australia, and most countries in Europe. We can manufacture even some blades with tungsten carbide impregnations. Special case of blades would be the half furrow blades. There is an efficient and versatile use for loaders. To conclude with our Trasteel line, we can also offer hydraulic breakers for mini excavators and backhoe loaders. Our range of hydraulic breakers goes from 65 kilos to 550 kilos. We are providing you with a different hydraulic breakers that has a monoblock body, and we are also offering you hydraulic breakers without tie rods. The power is up to 40% higher comparing with other hydraulic breakers from competitors. The customers can also find several solutions for their hydraulic breakers, not only for Trasteel Tech breakers, because we are also manufacturing chisels for the main brands in the market and with the common typologies such as blunt, pyramidal, conical, and some other special typologies of chisels. Finally, within Trasteel Track, you will find a wide range of undercarriage components. We are able to manufacture idlers, sprockets, rollers, track links, track pads, and others. The combination of high-quality steels and the tempering process guarantees you a higher wear resistance. Due to the huge amount of models in the market and a big amount of serial numbers, we have created an online platform where our dealers can easily find the proper parts. Our Trasteel Track parts are tested under extremely demanding conditions and offering you a greater durability. I think we talked about all the products within the Trasteel range, except Traver. Traver is our own brand of rubber tracks and rubber pads. Traver rubber tracks offers you a greater flexibility because we are using a superior quality of natural rubber. We are also reinforcing the sides of the rubbers to prevent premature breakages. Within Traver, you also may find all trap packs in several versions, like clip-on pads, chain-on pads, and bolt-on pads. These three different versions can meet all the specific needs of our clients to most of the mini excavators and excavators up to 25 tons.